Yes, I am.
Air One, worship now.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air One, worship now.
Let's worship through it together.
The worship starts now.
Air One.
We're inside schools partnering with teachers and counselors, empowering at-risk kids by providing supportive relationships.
Molasses, all of that stickiness. Check that out.
Wow.
Super clean, super durable.
Take my food over
568 or visit stbarnabascommunities.com for a tour. That's stbarnabascommunities.com.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
She didn't want to leave her home, and why should